know a lot of people want to get to the big bag in 2023, including me, because trust me, I'm looking at making tons of money in this 2023. And surprisingly, a lot of people want to get to the big bag. I don't know why. Do you? Let me know in the comment section why you think a lot of people want to make more money this year, or why you think they just want to double their hustle. If you're in Nigeria, you understand what we mean by double your hustle. Okay, let me know in the comment section because I'm curious. Now, this video I'm going to be sharing with you is a really important video because I'm going to be sharing with you a software that could potentially generate you thousands of dollars with zero skills and zero capital. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Adishalami, and on this channel I often talk about how to make money, how to grow your money, and basically how to become financially independent. So if that sounds like some videos you might be interested in, then stick around with me by clicking the subscribe button down below. Also smash the notification bell right beside you so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one right here. The software I've been talking about is called Chat GPT, and I'm going to be explaining this to you in the most simplest way you can ever think of. So, what is Chat GPT? This is an AI which answers questions in the most human-like form, which means a conversational way. It doesn't give you some robotic answer or some answers that just doesn't make sense. Now, let's try that out for ourselves and see what it actually does when it comes to answering questions. So, what you want to do is to go to OpenAI, and you want to click on this right there. As you can see, this is the home page, and you want to scroll down to Chat GPT. Now you want to try out Chat GPT, and because I already have an account, I'm just going to log in right there. I'm going to type in my email address. Good. So this is Chat GPT, and like I said, it answers questions in a human-like form. So for example, let me ask, hi, can you help me today? It says, of course, I'll do my best to assist you. What do you need help with? So this is kind of response you would possibly get from a friend. So pretty much you can ask this software, you can ask this AI anything, and it's going to respond to you. So that is what Chat GPT is and how it works. AI has been in the world for a very long time, but the problem is that you and I don't have access to it because we ain't got no money. Okay, big companies like Netflix, like Instagram, YouTube, they all have access to artificial intelligence. Because tell me why I would search for a random stuff and all of a sudden I start seeing videos related to that random stuff. That is because the artificial intelligence has picked that I am interested in topics related to this. So that is what Chat GPT is and basically how it works. Now let's move on to how you can potentially make thousands of dollars from this. You know, I said if you have a zero skills, you can basically make a couple of money from this. Trust me. Now let's start from where you have a little bit of knowledge. For example, if you're already a freelancer and you write scripts for people, or you are a content creator, you can basically just come here and type in whatever it is that you need assistance with. I am a video content creator, right? And sometimes, not even sometimes, all the time, I make scripts for my videos. If I open my notes, as you can see, I'm talking about Chat GPT, and these were just the points that I wrote out because I already read about it and I know what I want to talk about. But I have some videos where I have scripted a lot. As you can see, these are some of the videos that I've filmed. Can you see? These are some of the videos that I've filmed, and I always script my content. Now, let's say today I want to talk about how to film a YouTube video. So now I'm going to come on here and say how to film a YouTube video. So I'm going to wait for this AI to respond to me. And it says, here are some steps to help you film a YouTube video. 1, choose a topic. Decide on a topic you want to make a video about. 2, plan your content. Write a script or an outline for your video to keep your content organized and on a track. So it's going to write out all of this for me, and I can pick this out and then expand them. You know what I'm trying to say? I can pick this out and write out a longer script. If I also wanted to summarize everything here says, I can stop generating here and say summarize. So it will go ahead to summarize everything it had written up here. In summary, it says to film a YouTube video, choose a topic, plan your topic, set up your equipment, record your footage, edit the video, upload to YouTube and promote it. So this can actually help you generate tons of content. So if you're already into script writing, blog writing, even if you're a language translator, this AI would be able to help you. Now, if you're already a freelancer, if you're into content creation, or you help with script writing, blog writing, content writing, all of this stuff, this could actually help you relieve the stress on your neck. Because imagine if you were spending 3-4 days to script a video for someone, or you spend 3-4 days to put up a blog post, or you spend 3-4 days to summarize a textbook, because there are tons of people outside that need all of these services. In another video, I'm going to be sharing with you practical ways on how you can use Chat GPT. So stick around with me and make sure you subscribe to find out how you can use it properly to make even more money. Right. So I was saying, if you have a zero skills, you would be able to do this. For example, you can go onto fiverr.com, create an account, and you start asking to work for people. You could go to Fiverr and say that, hi, I'm going to help you script out your YouTube video content, because trust me, if I could get someone to script out my content for me, I'll be more than happy. All I have to do is go back to it, read it, and edit it where necessary. So you can do that and target $10, $20, $30, or even $50. There is also an application called Writer Gigs that you can be making up to 3,000 naira daily if you're in Nigeria, 3,000 naira per content if you're in Nigeria, when you write out content for people. So if you have a zero skills, a zero knowledge when it comes to script writing, blog writing, article, or even summarizing for people, all you have to do is get on to Chat GPT and let it do the work for you. So there are several ways you can actually make money from this Chat GPT. To prove my point a little bit further, let's ask how can I make money with Chat GPT? Enter. So I think my network has stopped. But basically, here it says you can use Chat GPT to generate articles, blog posts, or even any other type of written content for website, blogs, or social media. You can create chatbots powered by GPT to automate customer service or provide information for users. You can use it to create NLP power products. You can use it to develop chat-based games and quizzes. There are tons of ways to use Chat GPT. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can go to it and just get started with it. So create an account on Fiverr, on Upwork, on Writers Gigs, and different kind of applications out there that you can potentially make money on by leveraging on this software called Chat GPT. Okay, now I hope I've been able to explain to you what Chat GPT is and how to potentially make thousands of dollars from. But trust me when I tell you that this Chat GPT is currently making me a couple extra dollars. I'm going to share that with you in another video, so stick around with me. And if you find this one helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with your friends. So thank you very much. I'm going to see you in another one. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Tengo sin verte, en verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en mi